So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to move a view only file, and then you're going to make a copy of it so it's actually yours now. And then you're going to rename it and move it to your teacher folder. It's going to be called class data. So you're going to go once again to your shared with me. So here's the class data. Now notice when you open this, so this is a view only file. Now I want to make it my own, so what I have to do is I have to go to File and make a copy. So I'm just going to leave it like this, call it copy, okay? And then I'm going to move it to my drive, but specifically to week 2, and then it'll be all set. And then it'll be an editable copy, so if I wanted to edit it, you can see that it's perfectly fine now.